No. I didn't get permission. I'll do background music. Get some porn music going.
Are you going to be on the BlackBerry commercial? They were looking for volunteers.
Is it going to be titled How to Play Volleyball? We do need instant replay on these shots, so that could help. In case you didn't notice. Violation. I wish we had that, man. Like, you know, when you go bowling, it makes that noise and you go across the plane.
Oh, yeah. That'd be handy.
Now, batting, Mr. Ramon Gill. Right in the... Good try.